Hello everybody, this is Kate. It's been a while since last update. We had many delays and I'll be talking about the whole workflow, what comes first and what comes next, and you are aware of what you need to prepare before you move on to the next step. Let's look at the schedule and the plans for remodeling that we have gone through before. Obviously, you have to start by demolishing the existing things that you don't need. And then we will start by doing the system setups behind the walls, above ceilings, and below floors. These are going to be like plumbing, system setups, and air conditioning, wiring, and so on. And the final touch-up will be done towards the end of the procedure over here. While doing the system, you have to mend the wall and the ceiling, positioning all the systems at the right place. And after that, you need to do the wet work, which is like cement work involved in the restroom and the behind kitchen area. You will want to work on these things before you start working on the woodwork. We had some problem with our restroom materials. We were trying to use terrazzo for the floor and the walls, but somehow maybe we were trying to make it too thin. The walls started cracking and we tried again and still didn't help. So we decided to change the material to tiles that gives kind of similar feeling. The reason why we prefer terrazzo was because we didn't want to see the lines in between. After a while it can turn colors and it can look a little bit old. Yeah, but the time is running and I don't think we can risk by trying it once again a little bit thicker. And when it's thicker, the room becomes smaller, so that's also another concern. After the wet work is done, you need to close the exterior window and doors first because you will want to prevent built-in furniture and wooden floor from dust and humidity, especially when it rains. You don't want the rain to come in to the wooden floor that you already installed. Then you can start working on the wood floor finishing and also the built-in furniture. This built-in furniture is already mock-up in the factory before. And in the end, we will try to put all the accessories in the restroom area and bring in the kitchen and finally the loose furniture over here. Despite of trying hard to stick to the schedule, we had some problem with terrazzo installation in the restrooms and also had some delays in wood preparation for exterior windows. To prevent further delay, we had to work on wooden floor and built-in furniture. So the wet work is not finished yet, but we cannot delay the whole process more. So we get all these temporary shields to prevent from dust coming in and also trying to block humidity while we work on the woods. We have the floor wood and built-in furniture wood all ready, waiting for the next step. We checked the wood quality last week and this is how they look. Looks very nice. When there's a little bit of blemish parts, the wood company put like a chalk mark to notice that this part cannot be used. So will be used in the area where you can use the shorter planks. The kitchen window, we cut it a bit lower so it's easier for me to look outside. Yeah, Dutch say it doesn't make a big difference for him, but to me like 10-15 centimeters make a really big difference because I'm not tall. I can't wait to see and also show you some built-in furnitures inside this unit next time, and all the wooden floors more or less done. We will get there soon and see you in the next video. Bye!